Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Starfield game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. Don't ignore these steps. So press and hold the power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. And the tip is to restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connections, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Then launch the Starfield game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and go to restore license. Select Starfield game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to the console storage delete. Now choose Starfield and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change DNS settings from automatic to manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit on OK and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Starfield game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Starfield game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.